Hey guys, just kicking back on this fine Sunday, and I saw something a little disconcerting outside, something a little worrisome maybe, but anyway, we'll get to that in a second. Hope you guys are enjoying all the videos I'm putting out. You know, I'm taking time away each day to do that. You know, I'm very close with my wife and my little 4-year-old daughter, so for me to make these videos, you know, it's taking time away from them on the weekends. So I hope you guys can appreciate me doing that. And I gotta brag because I just kicked their butt at Monopoly. You know, it's a rainy Sunday here in the Pacific Northwest, so we decided to sit down and play a little Monopoly, and I won. You know, nothing I like better than beating my wife and daughter at a game that is based solely on a roll of the dice. But anyway, this type of stuff we do on the weekends. You know, you'll never get this family time back, especially when your little ones are small, because they do not stay small very long. I have one that's 23 years old. She didn't stay small for very long, so I'm really second time through. I'm really appreciating all this time. So found a couple more consumable parts that the pricing just all over the place. You know, I can't stress it enough. You gotta check this stuff on a daily basis. Well, a weekly basis, I should say, not a daily basis. But I checked my PVC glues today. I checked my PVC. Man, they're all over the place between Johnstone, Home Depot, Supply House, and Gensco. There's no rhyme or reason to the prices. Like a 3/4 PVC 90 at one place is 29 cents. At another place it's 70 something cents. You know, that adds up over time. You know, I use a lot of that, a lot of 3/4 PVC 90s throughout the year, and I use a lot of glue, and that adds up. It's every little cost. So, you know, my goal this year was to streamline and be more efficient, and that's all part of it. So I'm not going to bore you with the side-by-side and everything like I did yesterday when I showed you guys the price difference on the wire ties up there on the old dry erase board. But I can't stress it enough. You should be checking that stuff very often if you're a one-man band like me, because they'll creep that shit up on you for no reason, and before you know it, you're blowing $1,000 throughout the year that you shouldn't be blowing. So anyway, back to what I was talking about when I sat my fat butt down here a couple minutes ago. Well, should I just show you the video? So I got pretty big feet. I think for my size, I'm a size 11. And I saw some footprints up on my property here. You know, very close to the house. You know, stone's throw, as they like to say, from my house, a stone's throw away, were some pretty big animal tracks. Now, I don't know exactly what it was. Too big to be a wolf, way too big to be a deer hoof. I mean, it was paws, almost as big as my foot. So without further ado, let me show you that. Let me run this for you real quick. Tell me what you think. Hopefully it translates on video. All right, guys, I'm just kind of farting around up here on my property, and show you this. Look at those tracks. Here's my foot right there. I think we got a bear. Look at that. Look at that track. Be a small black bear or something coming up on the property. Look at that. Look at that foot. That's my foot right there next to it. Look how big that is. Something big. Came right through there. And Came around, kind of went over there, again, and then circled and went back down that way. Egads. So what'd you guys think of that? Do I got a bear loose here on my hillside, here in this neighborhood? I don't know, but you know, my dogs stay behind a fence. My cats don't go outside, so I'm not too worried about. More worried about me or my family more than anything. You know, probably just scrounging, trying to find something to eat. Luckily, I don't leave any garbage out that's, you know, something edible. So, but, you know, they do like to go up and try to eat some of the berries and stuff that are up there, but they're kind of dormant right now. So I don't know. Is there a bear on the loose? I don't know. All I know is I don't want to be there when they're hungry. That's for sure. So, and I've been watching a bunch of bear attack videos lately, so maybe that's got my spidey senses up a little bit as it pertains to bear attacks. But a couple ways I don't want to die. I don't want to die in a plane crash. I don't fly anymore, and I don't plan on flying unless it's an emergency. So there's a good chance that that won't happen. And I do like to go out in the woods a lot, so maybe the other way I don't want to die is a bear attack. So maybe that's the way I go. I don't know. But anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. Again, I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the people watching my videos. I'm very, very appreciative of that. And with enough said on this Sunday, guys, thanks for watching.